Here we are, man. First one. Whoa. Okay. Let's take him. Yup. Some cord. Everything's wet, bro. My yard, actually, I got some clarification or confirmation that I can put a couple vacuum cleaners into my load. Not a whole lot, not the whole load, just one or two, you know, here and there. So here we are. This is all wet, man. I'm not gonna bother with this. I'm not gonna bother testing this part back. This thing, what is it? Whatever you are. Xbox? No Xbox. Oh, I got some brass, man. Brass and cords. Yup. These baskets are alright, actually. Come with me. Not this one though. Ooh, Gillette. This one can stay. Is this in here? Bro, it is. Okay, we'll sort that out later. Nice one. What's that inside? Not sure. I'll leave that. Ooh. Oh, look at that. Good cord. Oh man, there's stuff everywhere. Not really that. Okay, got a modem. It's all empty. What's that? Hold on, hold on. Get off. Got a laptop. Acer. Come on, buddy. Cord. What is this one? More cord. Bro, even more cord. Ah! Hold on, let me fix that. Let's go. Right, let me separate this just quick. Oh man, this is aluminium. Can we get this? Yeah, I think so. More cord. Oh, that's cold. coaxial. This is a cord. Coaxial. Is it? Maybe brass. Wow, more. Okay. Not bad. You, my friend, come on. Yes. Ease in the back. Bend this. Go, go. Oh, look at that. Aluminium. What about this one? Oh, everything looks wrecked. Everything looks wrecked. Oh, yeah. This one, coffee machine, butter knives. Is that it? I think that's it. Get in, lad. Oh. Yeah, that's it. Happy with that. Oh, actually, there's a pot. Okay. That's it. Nothing. Nothing. Let's go. Oi, scrappers. I just saw this. Randomly, there's a microwave here. Oi. Still got the transformer. Let's clean up the rest best we can.